Swisher Sweets. I didn't know where to get the questions from.
Hey there.
I might come such a slacker. I don't know questions.
That's all right. We got like 50 questions. I have a few more, so that's gonna be plenty. And after this long day, we don't need to be super dragged out anyway, so it'll be fun. We'll see how many answers the crowd disagrees with. That's not right. No, that's wrong. I can tell you they're 7, not 8. Yeah, they will. They will. I'll just say that you verified all the answers. So anything that's apocryphal is on you. Oh. Yeah, it's great. It's fantastic. It's just everybody got a good buzz. Everybody's excited. We're having a blast. Do you want this here, or do you want it on the table?
That's fine. That's just to help pick up the sound. Because when it was back here, it wasn't getting.
Sure.
Once it's closer to the people, it's better.
Okay.
Whatever's least in your way.
Yeah, it's not my way at all. So. All right, we're going to start the Tandy Assembly Quiz Show, the trivia quiz show, and of course, I'm going to need some participants, some quiz people to answer questions. So, who wants to volunteer? We got 3 buzzers up here, and the topics will be about all the models of Radio Shack computers, about Radio Shack itself. So it's very focused and. Nothing to be afraid of. There's no. We're not going to ask you about interrupts.
I can handle the interrupt questions. I don't know about anything. Names and dates, they all just kind of blur.
So we have a volunteer.
All right.
Oh!
Yeah. All right. We need 2 more.
Who wants to go up against math?
Yeah.
Nobody.
Come on. Now we can bring nationalism into it. Get a Canadian and American here.
U.S.
All right, great. We got 2. One more. I'm seeing Evan. He wants to come up here. What's that? All right, Boise. Okay, let me just give him. All right. Okay, on the bottom of your buzzer is a number. Who's number 1?
I am.
Okay, who's number 2?
I'm in the middle.
And what's your name again, sir? Alan. Okay. And Ian. Okay, I got your names in here. So, all right, we're going to test the buzzers now. Make sure that we're. Go ahead, Boise. Good. Alan. Excellent. And Ian. There we go. All right. We got all 3 buzzers going. Okay. When you hear this signal, it means that your buzzers are armed. That means your buzzers are ready to go. Okay? All right. First question. In 1977 Radio Shack catalog, what was the list price of the TRS-80 microcomputer system? Alan.
It was $5.99.
$5.99 is correct.
I sold 12 of them. I can't remember that.
All right. Cutting edge at the time, what processor was used in the Tandy 2000?
Can I have a new one?
What's that?
Mine didn't work either. Can I have a new one?
The buzzer's not working?
80186.
What's wrong with that buzzer? Yeah. Let's see.
Try it again. There's working. Egan.
80186.
That is correct.
That was the sound of the 2000. All
right. What computer model was the only one to be labeled with both Tandy and TRS-80 logos? Ian.
The Tandy 2000.
That is correct. All right, the Tandy 1000 was built to directly compete with what non-Radio Shack computer? Alan.
The IBM PC.
No, that's incorrect.
Oh well.
Boise.
The IBM PC. The IBM PC Junior?
That is correct. The PC Junior.
I
Okay.
didn't know it had to be that specific.
What year was the Tandy 1000 released?
1985.
That is not correct.
Okay.
1980.
These buzzers don't
I
work,
have a
man.
problem with my software, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, try again. Ian.
1986.
What was the question again? I've forgotten the question now.
So what year was the Tandy 1000 introduced?
Was it 1986?
Did I say 1000?
I thought you said 96.
1984.
That's right, 1984. If this worked out, I could have told you that, but anyway.
I think you can ask Coco and TRS-80 questions.
All right. How many different models? Oh, I'm sorry. Let me get you up here. How many different models of the Tandy 1000 were made? Boise.
6?
Wrong.
5.
Ian.
8.
Wrong.
All the above.
15. The correct answer is 16.
Oh, wow.
There was the 1000, the EX, HD, HX, SX, TX, RL, RLHD, RLX, RSX, TL, TL2,
My
TL3,
God,
SL,
man.
SL2, and AX.
That's an
Yeah.
incomplete list because there was also the SX2 and the SX3.
Oh, yeah.
There's a bunch
The RL, remember the RL and all that?
There's a lot.
Yeah. All right.
All right. In what year did Tandy sell its computer business to AST? Boise.
1991.
No, that is wrong. Anyone else? Ian.
1992.
That is incorrect. Anyone in the audience?
I know it.
Alex.
1990.
No, incorrect.
1993?
Early 90s.
It was 1993.
Yes.
I had to guess one or the other, and I guess you did.
What year was the Radio Shack TRS-80 color computer introduced? Boise.
1980.
That is correct. Name 2 other Radio Shack products that were nearly identical to the original TRS-80 color computer. Ian.
Video Tech Terminal and AgriStar Terminal.
That was close. It's the AgVision.
Oh.
Yeah, I'd be saying it counts.
That should count.
What year was the Radio Shack TRS-80 Model 3 introduced? Ian.
1980.
1980 is correct. How many electrical outlets were required for a 2-drive TRS-80 Model 1? Alan.
4.
5.
The correct answer is 5.
Oh, what's the 5th one? What's the 5th outlet for?
You had 5 outlets.
Oh, the
one
monitor.
for CPU and
The
keyboard,
monitor.
2
Yeah.
for expansion interface,
Yeah, the monitor.
video monitor, and 1 for each disk drive.
They made special power strips just for that.
That's right. We sold a bunch of them at 40%.
Very tired.
All right.
We love the add-ons. Batteries not included.
Yeah. What do the letters in TRS-DOS mean? Ian.
Tandy Radio Shack disc operating system.
That is correct.
You sure?
Okay, this next one is bound to cause some discussion.
Put the number to 911.
How many major releases of TRS-DOS were there? Ian.
Lots.
Boise.
6.
No. Right.
Not so what.
Actually, there were only 3. TRS-DOS 1, they had 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, they had TRS-DOS 2 and TRS-DOS 6. Do you know of any others?
That's why I said 6.
There wasn't a TRS-DOS 3, was there?
There's just us 2 for Model 2.
Right, but yeah, but there's just version 2. All right.
What about the Tristos and cover diskette?
That's right. Or Kilgus.
In 1979, Radio Shack introduced this voice recognition device for the TRX-80. Ian.
Box.
That is correct. The Vox, correct. All right. The first Tandy 2000 computer ran its processor at what speed? Ian.
8 megahertz.
That is correct.
Yeah.
How many models of the pocket computer were made? Ian.
8.
That is correct. 8.
That's freaky.
0.
And then they have their own festival.
That's right. There you go.
All right. What 2 companies manufactured the pocket computers for Radio Shack? Boise. Or Allen. Sorry, Allen.
I'll pass.
Okay.
Sharp and Panasonic?
Nope.
Casio and
Sharp was one of them.
Yeah,
Ian.
Casio.
Sharp and Casio.
Yes, Sharp and Casio.
Gonna watch this.
All right.
Yeah.
What year was the Radio Shack TRS-80 Model 100 introduced? Boise.
1982?
Nope. Ian.
1983.
That is correct. 1983.
Probably didn't ship till 1984 though.
Yeah, March of '83.
Which computer was named InfoWorld's Hardware Product of the Year for 1983? Boise.
The Coco 2? I know.
Ian.
Tandy 2000.
Wrong. Any guesses from the audience?
Tandy 5.
That's right, it was the Model 100. What processor was used in both the TRS-80 Model 100 and 102? Ian.
80C85.
That is correct.
Wow.
What Japanese company manufactured the TRS-80 Model 100 and 102? Ian.
Kyocera.
That is correct.
I didn't know that.
Kyocera. What year was Radio Shack founded?
Oh no. That's
That's
not
a
a fair
trick question. Yeah, that's a trick question.
Because Radio
Ian.
Shack
1926.
No, that's wrong.
1929.
Nope, that's wrong too. Anybody want to guess? 1921.
Wow.
And it was in the 20s.
Where? Boston, right?
It was in Boston. Before Tandy bought it in the 60s.
Come on, Boise.
I need another drink. I need that and a cigarette. What's that comedian, Ron Jeremy, that does, or no, Ron White, not Ron Jeremy, Ron White. Yeah. I mean, Ron.
You need a Viagra for Jeremy.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, that's right.
Tandy Simply After Dark. All right, the Tandy 4833 and 4820 sported which processors?
46?
And?
Jesus, that's all I know. I'm going that one.
Well, we'll give it to you. It's the 8486 and the 8486 SX.
Oh, okay. All right. I need all the help I can get. So.
Name 2 multi-user operating systems that were sold by Radio Shack for x86 computers. Boise.
Skull Unix? Nope.
That was one of them.
Can I get half a point on that, maybe?
Anything else on it, Trace?
Xenix 386.
That's it.
Yeah, there were 4 of them. There was SEO Unix, SEO Xenix, Lantastic, and Novell Network.
Wow.
Yep.
All right. What was the name of the multitasking multi-user operating system for the Tandy color computer? Ian.
OS 9.
I was pressing that thing before you said color, man. I knew what you were going to say.
The computers never work.
Oh, this thing doesn't work, man.
Ease of use.
What's your answer, Ian?
Yeah, OS 9.
That is correct. OS 9.
Man,
Ease of use.
this thing doesn't work.
All right. How many processors were in the Tandy 6000? Ian.
2.
That's correct. It had a Z80 and a 68000. What revolving charge account was Radio Shack eager to get you to apply for? Alan.
Discover card.
No, that's wrong.
We had a Discover.
Anyone else?
City line. City line.
Yeah.
City Line.
That's right.
We were paid more to sign up people on Discover than CityLine.
Really?
In the number of characters, what was the display size of the Tandy 600 laptop? Boise.
40 times 24, whatever that is.
No, that's wrong. What was it?
It's 80 by 16.
That's correct. 80 by 16.
I wrote the back.
What was the transmission speed of the Tandy DCM6 motor? Boise.
300 baud?
That's correct. 300 bar. What year did Radio Shack publish its first catalog? Ian.
1941.
Wrong. Anyone else? Boise.
1958?
Incorrect.
1949.
Nope, it was 1939.
See, I had one right. Another 9 right.
What 2 operating systems were included with the Model 16B? Ian.
Tristos 2 and Xenix multi-user.
That's correct. Christos and Xenix. All right. How many slots were in the Model 12 expansion card? Expansion cage, sorry. Ian.
7.
No, that's wrong. Anyone else?
6.
Boise. 6 is correct.
There's 7, but 6.
Yeah, that's right. That's what I was going to say.
So I guess you technically do your vote, right?
Just going off my visual memories.
What was the top speed of the Direct Connect modem 2? Ian.
1200 baud.
Wrong.
300 baud.
That's right. Everything was 300 back then.
I got you back for that OS9 answer that I missed.
All right, and the number of characters. And the number of characters, what was the display size when using a TV with a Model 100 disc video interface? Ian.
40 by, I don't know, 25.
That's correct. You could get 80 by 25 if you had a monitor. But with the TV, it was 40 by 25.
It's weird because everything else was 24.
All right. Color computer programs, Solar Explorer, Word Wizard, Professor Press Notes Music Machine utilized what unique peripheral? Ian.
Electric book.
That is correct, the electronic book.
I told you I never wanted to collect that damn thing, didn't I? So,
All right. What was the CR510? Ian.
Punch card reader.
Is a punch card reader. That is correct. That Tandy sold.
I wasn't even born then, for Christ's sake.
Just for education.
Which Radio Shack tape player was smaller? The CCR81 or the CCR82? Boise.
The CCR82.
That is correct. It was 7 by 4.
That's right.
The T1000 protocol converter allowed you to connect a TRS-80 to what? Doesn't anybody remember the T1000 protocol converter?
All right.
A mainframe.
That's correct. It was a SDLC 3278 terminal conversion. Because when they first came out with the Model 2, I think that was one of the things they even showed in the advertising was they had it next to a big mainframe and a big data center. All right, what was the model of cassette player provided with the first TRS-80? Ian.
CTR 41.
That is correct, the CTR 41. What were the 4 core applications available in Tandy DeskMate software? Boise.
Word processor, spreadsheet, calendar, and database.
That is correct.
Telecom was the 5th one, that's right.
All right. What processor was used in the MC-10? Boise.
The 6803.
That is correct, the 6803.
Is Mike Rowen broken?
My questions disappeared for a second. All right. We've only got 6 questions left, so the agony will ensue. All right. What processor was used in the short-lived Tandy business computer? Tandy 10 business computer, I'm sorry. What processor was used in the Tandy 10? Ian.
Z80? Z80?
No, that is wrong. Boise.
The 8086.
No, that is wrong.
Can I have another go? 8080.
That's right, it's the 8080.
I would argue if it even lived.
It did live. It was actually just a rebranded computer manufactured by another company, and it was about the size of a small, chest freezer.
This desk and that podium is about approximates the size.
Wow.
Yeah. All right. In 1984, the Model 16B was the most popular Unix computer. How many units were sold?
Radio
Ian.
Shack doesn't tell you that.
15,000?
No, that's wrong. Anyone else want to guess?
Smaller or smaller?
Radio Shack doesn't publish numbers. How would we even know that, right?
This was published. What is it? 40,000. 40,000.
Wow,
They were the largest Unix computer maker at that time because of Unix.
interesting.
Yeah. How many processors are in the Model 12? Ian.
1.
That's correct. It's just got a single Z80. What was the primary reason for releasing the Model 3 in 1980?
To make money.
Primary technical reason, not because to make money. Ian.
To retain the profit margin.
No, that's wrong.
Actually, the FCC shut down the Model 1 because of RFI interference.
That's right. It's because of RFI interference from the
Very
new
good.
standards with the Model 1, so they had
Awesome.
to enclose it and shield the inside of the case so that it wouldn't interfere. All right. Who succeeded Charles Tandy as CEO of Tandy? Ian.
Bernie Apple?
No, that's wrong. Okay. Boise.
John Roach?
That's correct, John Roach. All right, our final question for the evening. Radio Shack was founded as a mail order business in what city? Boise.
Boston, Massachusetts.
Boston, Massachusetts, that's correct, all right. Well, it looks like Ian is our winner tonight.
How many items were in the
You
first
guys are
catalog?
good sports, appreciate you playing.
many.
And,
Over 20,000 items.
so that's all we have on the schedule for
That was in
tonight.
the first
We just have
19
everything open
what was it,
and show.
1930?
Feel free
In
to
the
stick
first
around as long
catalog,
as you
it
want
was
tonight
59.
and
You
enjoy
could go to
yourselves.
a Radio
Thanks.
Shack and buy a bag of peanuts.
That was before Tandy bought them, right? That
Wait,
was,
he bought it in the 60s. That was the problem, is they were failing. They had like 7 stores and they were failing, and they had so much. They had like I said, you could go in and buy a 5-pound bag of peanuts at Radio Shack.
that's crazy.
And anything they thought they could sell, they just had it in the store.
Had a good time, man. Thanks so much.
Well, no Coco questions, Charlie. The one that I'm trying to get.
The Coco Talk Skype channel said, we're listening to 30,000.
Anything they thought they could make money, they tried to have it in the store, so therefore they were failing everything. Oh yeah. They weren't turning over their inventory.
Right.
You have some good stories to tell. You should.
Oh yeah.